Hello and a very warm welcome to Renu Factory Automation booth here at Automation India 2025. I'm very proud to introduce some of our new products that we have launched recently. As you can see behind me, we are releasing a lot of open HMI products. Open HMI basically means the products that don't require our software to configure. So we have launched Android-based industrial HMIs, web panels which run full-fledged HTML5 technologies. We have Linux-based open HMIs. And of course, having said all that, our primary business, which is our HMIs with our own configuration software, are doing very well. We also build products, HMI products with built-in IOs, like a built-in PLC. And the line of PLCs that we have launched here recently are also doing very well. We have recently announced our capacitive touch-based, sunlight readable, outdoor mounted kind of harsh environment products, and they're also doing very well for us in the global market. Also, some of our combined technologies, including ability to do the complete plant level automation and monitoring, are also being displayed here. We are very proud to also talk about our IO system, our web-based as well as all the field bus-based IO systems here at this exhibition. We welcome our customers to try these products, and if there are any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Once again, Renu Factory Automation is proud to announce, being the leading company coming out of India, all our products are completely designed, developed and manufactured in India for the global market, truly in the spirit of Make in India for the global market. Thank you very much.